everyone, it's Tammy, and today I have a little haul from Sweet Ava's paper. And I have ordered from them before. I love her stickers. This is really cute. Hang in there. That's adorable. Oh, look at the little kitty cat. I got a cute little sampler. It says, please remember to wash your hands. The little cat is playing video games. He's in a food coma. The little bunny is holding toilet paper. It says clean and quarantined. This one says canceled, and this one is, I think, playing a game or social distancing. Whatever. It's really cute. And let's see. I got a bunch of them, but this one is, looks like she's painting, doing some arts and crafts. I love this one. It says Wing Night. And I'm going to use that because we had wings this week, and I'm going to take one and put it in my planner. And then this is Family Nut Time, and I didn't realize it when I got it, but there's 3 little kids, which is funny because I only have 2, so I don't know what I'm going to do with these exactly, but it's really cute, so maybe I'll just use it for family time whenever we have it, just for fun, even though my kids are older. This is Chip and Snowball Gifts and Letters, and I don't think this necessarily has to be for Christmas. Some of them look kind of Christmassy, but I think it's cute just for whenever. This one is Chip, the little, I don't know if he's a dog or a fox. I think he might be a dog. He's out the arts and crafts store. This one is him cleaning out the fridge. This is watching Christmas movies, which I think is adorable. This one is spaghetti or pasta. Let's see, is he wrapping or doing a haul or an unboxing? I think that's more like it. This one says happy birthday, free hugs, dreaming of pizza, and then watching for the UPS man. I think that's cute. And this one is, gosh, the cloud is raining on him, but he's still smiling, and I think that's cute. And this one is social media and shoveling snow. This one is he's waiting on the mailman, and there's little cobwebs in the mailbox. So cute. And this one is just at the dog park. Fast food, or this one is McDonald's specifically, it looks like. This one says up early and stupid alarm clock. And this one is another alarm clock with the sleeping bat. And this one says, I can't sleep, I'm so tired. And actually, I'm going to use one of these because I don't think I slept but 20 minutes last night for whatever reason. I have no idea. I was able to take a nap today, which was nice. But man, oh man. Craziness. And this one is like a Superman. This one says upload, and I think I got 2 of those because I use that one a lot. This one he's waiting for the mailman, has the sunglasses, has a chair posted, the mailbox open and ready. And this is bath time. This one says time to fix it, or time to fix stuff. And lastly is this one that is barbecuing, which I'm going to use today because my husband made brats on the grill. So I'm putting that down, and I'm going to write brats on grill. And I had it with some sauerkraut, and it was super good. And Tracy is here, and that was her first time having a brat, and she liked it, so that's good too. So that is everything that I got from Sweet Ava's on this round. I hope that you guys will check her store out. I've bought several times from her. I really, really enjoy her stickers. They're adorable, and yeah, what else can I say? I'll try to remember to link it below, but in case I forget, go to sweetavaspaper.com. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.